Hey, so in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sum if in Google Sheets. So here we have a list of sales team members and the sales that they've made. And we want to count or we want to sum all the sales made by Anna. So what we can do here is use the sum if function. So what we're going to do is we're going to go equals sum if, and we're going to fill out the data here. So first off, we're going to select our range, which is the names. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to generate a criteria, which is what we have here in E4, Anna's name. And then next, what we're going to do is we're going to find the range that we'd like to sum, which is all the sales data that you can see here. Then we're going to end those brackets and we're going to press return. And we can see that Anna sold 1,300. So if you look at the sales figures, we can see that Anna sold 500 plus 1,800 plus 800. That generates 1,300. Let's change the name to Ben here and see what Ben has sold. So Ben has sold $1,000. So we can see that Ben here has sold $400 plus Ben has sold $600, generating $1,000. And finally, Carl. Carl only appears once here and he has sold $300. So that's how we do the SUMIF function in Google Sheets.